Hey guys, welcome back to another Let's Play video.
Whoa!
Dude, you guys
Fuck!
the fucking...
Fuck! God damn it!
Shut the fuck up.
Fuck you! The Roadhog is nothing but trying to hook me off the map the whole time, and I only got away from her like one time, I think. Yeah, maybe one time. I'm turning into XQC. I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
The fuck was that?
What the fuck am I listening to, dog?
Lucio fucking sucks.
I've died 6 times. Mars Heavy died 8 times. Bro, we were in this map for too long. I don't want to be here.
It's gonna be like a torb on the map and 10 paths because of music.
We're gonna get PTSD flashbacks and all jump the torb.
Wait, Pass, look at me.
Yes. Let's go! I've got a few new inventions to try.
Shut up!
I got the fucking Lucio mid-air! That must be embarrassing. The Mercy shot.
You piece of shit!
Holy shit.
I don't know who's sweating their dick off more, me or everyone else on their team.
Must be fucking embarrassing.
Oh my god. Fuck me in the fucking ass! Smack my ass and call me Susan. I got a balls whip. I got a balls whip. What the
I prepped all night for this mission.
Well, maybe I fisted myself a little too.
Whoa.
He knifed me!
Excavation initiation! Oh!
Nice fucking ult, dumbass!
Bro, I don't know why, but they're on a live
Oh my god!
Sitting like a fucking gallery.
Oh my god, that's funny as fuck.
Claiming the dead.
I snuck around! I snuck, yeah!
I'm going, but hey,
Oh shit! Oh shit!
They like made eye contact with me. As soon as they teleported over there, they're like, oh fuck.